The horizontal line looks like this. And a vertical line looks like this. Example 1. Look at the line shown in the diagram. I hope you can see that the line is a horizontal line. It passes from left to right. It doesn't move up or down. Now what I'm going to do is just to mark some of the points on the line. I'm going to write down their coordinates. So the first point that I chose was -2, 3. Second point, it is 1 along, 3 up. The third point here is 3 along, 3 up. And the fourth point is 5 along, 3 up. Now, what is important about all 4 of those points, and indeed any points on this line which we might choose, is that the y coordinate is the same and that it has the value 3. The y coordinate has the value 3. The equation of this line is y equals 3. All points on the line have y coordinate equal to 3. Here is the second line. Now what I'm going to do is to choose some points on this line. Here's a point here. Here's another point here, and a final point. I'll list the coordinates. So this one looks like -4, -7. This one here is 1, -7, and this one is 8, -7. So what do we notice? Well, I hope you can see that all 3 points again have the same y coordinate, but in this case the y coordinate is -7. So the equation of this horizontal line is y equals -7, because it passes through all those points which have the y coordinate equal to -7. Example 2. What we have here is a vertical line. It's a line that moves from top to bottom but doesn't move to one side or the other. Vertical line. What I'm going to do is to pick some points that lie on this line, any points at all, any 3 points. Really 1 point is enough, but I'll take 3. So it's 4 along, 6 up. And this point here is 4 along 0. And this point here is 4 along -6. Now what do you notice? All 3 points have the same x coordinate, and that x coordinate is 4. X equals 4 is the equation of this vertical line. All points on the line have x coordinate 4. Here's a second line. Let me just pick a few points on this line. Here's one here, and here's one here. I'm only going to pick 2 points on the line. So this first point is -1, 5, and this point here is -1, -4. And if we look at the 2 points, they have the same x coordinate, and that x coordinate is x equals -1, and that is the equation of the vertical line, because all points on that line have x coordinate -1. Example 3, just to finish off our work with vertical and horizontal lines. 3-part A. What we want to do is to draw the line with the equation x equals 2. So x equals 2, well, I'm going to plot just 3 points. Now, this is quite clear. It's saying that the x-coordinate must be 2. The x-coordinate is the first coordinate, so this one must be 2 in all of them. What about the y-coordinate? The y-coordinate can be anything that you want. 1, 3, 5, or any other numbers, but the x-coordinate must always be 2. If I plot the points then, 2 along 1 up, 2 along 3 up, and 2 along 5 up. And I draw my line. There it is there. That's the line with the equation x equals 2. The second thing I want to do is to draw a line with equation y equals minus 4. So 3 points. We don't really need 3 points, 2 points would be enough. Now, it's quite clear the y-coordinate must be minus 4. The x-coordinate can be anything that you want. Minus 2, 0, 4. Let's just plot the points then. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4 is here. 0 minus 4 is here. And 4 minus 4 is here. So when we draw the line, that's the line with equation y equals minus 4. Now, if I was just to add in a last question, where do the two lines meet? Well, we have a slight problem. This first line that I've drawn isn't long enough, so I'm going to make it a wee bit longer. And where do the two lines meet? I hope you can see that they meet at this point here. And it shouldn't surprise you to learn that the coordinates of that point are 2, minus 4.